Okay, so I just sort of jumped in here and I wanted to show you why. It's pretty commonplace when the market doesn't move over the course of the pre-market, which you'll see as I drag you over here. The market was very, very flat pre-market. There was very little movement, and then all of a sudden the market opens and we get a pretty strong move to the downside. And then right around 10 o'clock, which it's not exactly 10 o'clock now, but just before 10 o'clock, the market sort of turns on a dime and begins going long instead of continuing that short. And combining that with a few of the other indications on the Excalibvr interface, well, I'll explain that to you in a minute. I'm going to look to cover my position now. That was unfortunate. Okay. Combined with a few other conditions, firstly, the momentum of the short was already breaking up at the time that the short-term directional analysis showed signs of a long creeping in, and at the same time the moving average display had gone from full to less than full. All in all, because of that and the elbows that are forming here and the fact that a lot of times the market will move in one direction for the first half hour of the morning and then completely change to move the other direction, I have decided to take this position, and I would not mind to average down at all. As you can see, we moved pretty quickly to get to this point. There's about 3 or 4 points in the same matter of minutes. And as you can see right now, I'm about to be averaged down, which I'm pretty excited about, honestly. I'm going to move this closed position order a little bit further away. Going to make it the full allotment size. But I want you to keep looking at the indications, because this is what I use to make the determination as to whether or not we're going to stay in the trade and continue believing that this is what the market should be doing. So in looking for signs of hope, you can see that the moving average is still continually moving in. That is a lagging indicator though, but on the same token, the short TSR has dwindled to nearly 0, and 3 is a very small number, so that is not any sort of concern by any means. Although it grew back just a little bit here, the momentum and position strength indication is weakening again, and the volume is continuing to rise. So all in all, aside from the fact that we have this little hiccup here going on in the chart, everything is saying to me that the short is ending and beginning to reverse, so that we will be able to benefit from this long position that I got into, and hopefully be able to turn a very nice profit from that. It is the first trade of the day, so all in all, I believe this is a pretty good indication that the short is ending, and that the possibility for a long trend is not necessarily imminent, but a definite probability. So I'm going to bring you back over here to the depth of market, and we will try to make this a profitable position. And there you have it. Cover my position. Oh, wasn't able to do it just there. Okay, so now my position is covered. No matter what happens, I will not end up losing money. And as the market develops even more profit for my position, I will trail the market manually. And my trailing order has just taken precedent, followed the market up, and as you saw, the market came back slightly. I was able to scalp that position, put some nice profit in the box, and all in all, it was a great scalp. For more information or for your 2-week trial, go to www.gatewayqsecurity.com. Use promo code YouTube. Can't wait to see you there.